5K na! Oh my God! Ah! Wala na, ulan talaga. Good morning! First ever fun run natin ito. May araw na ganyan. Ayan. It's currently 3 a.m. Ito ang ating almusal. Hinihintay pa natin sila. Ito pala yung race field ko, guys. 5 kilometers! Ayan. So excited! Kailangan natin ng protein. Before the run. Ang pangit ang pagkakabalat ko. Pero ano siya? Ayan, maganda yung luto ng egg. Lagyan natin konting asin. Sprinkle, sprinkle. But cheers! Last bite. First fun run! Go, go, go. Kunyari, tumatakbo kami buong ano. Pero, umi-stop talaga. Umi-stop talaga kami. Kaya pa namin magkwento. Fighting, fighting! First one run! Gusto ko yung Gatorade. Gusto ko Pocari Sweat. Traffic sa water station. Saan ang tabunan? Pangapat. Ang dami ah. 2 kilometers pala. Ang dami na inom. Pagod na pagod. Mag-umaga na. Ang ganda. Ganda ng sunrise. 2 kilometers. Let's go. Yan si Papa B. Nahaan siya. Topless. Mga lang refreshments. Kala na wala na. I want cold water. 4.5K na! Oh my God! Ah! Wala na, ulan talaga. Basa! Malapit na. Malapit na. Oh my God. 57 minutes.
Our official thrill escape at Oda and Blazing Stacks. We'd like to thank FC Zero Sugar and Mountain Dew Zero Sugar.
Tapos na namin 5 kilometers. Yay! Thank you! Pumunta na tayo sa medal. Yay! We officially enter our running era. Ayan, sasabit na yung medal. We finally made it! Yay! Thank you! Thank you! Thank you! Yan! Yay! 5 kilometers! Tapos na kukuha na tayo ng mga entitlements. Water. Thank you! Dito na ba? Dito na ko muna yung pang 5 kilometer. Na-feeling kami. 21K finisher pala yan. Wait, feeling era tayo. 10K finisher yan. Doon tayo sa dulo. Mga feeling ere. 5K po.
5 kilometer po.
Ay, thank you!
5K.
Wow, ang bigat! 5K, isa pa po. Isa pa po. What's this? Yeah. Ito na yung nakuha nating entitlement. Parang 3 kilos siya. Thank you! Beshi! Pancake! Pagkatapos mag-jogging, kakain ng pancake! Omelette! Arroz caldo! Asan yung corn beef? Yung kay Julie may corn beef. Meron pa din na yun.
Hello everyone! Kumusta ang run ninyo? Okay ba? It was really fun because there's so many runners and makikita mo talaga sa kanilang enthusiasm and it's become a community, so we really want to thank you for joining the first ever Quaker Fit Run. Makakaasa ba kami next year ulit? Alright, sana mas marami pa tayo and let's make this a family event. Maraming salamat on behalf of Quaker Oats. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Next year, we're gonna do it again and hopefully all around the Philippines will do it. So please spread the word and always give value to your health. Isa lang yan. Makikita pa tayo ulit! Again, congratulations guys! God bless!
Thank you so much again. Macy, maraming salamat sa...
And it went like this, say, oops, I got na 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 problem singing ba ba ba. Hold up, if you want